Well, hey everybody. Well, the engine is 99% back in. Got a few plugs to hook up, alternator, some belts, well, a belt, fans, radiators, whatnot. Button everything up. After a day of progging and progging over this damn hood, today's gonna be a day of no progging. Gotta let the back relax, ease up, heal up a little bit. Besides this, yesterday I did some planting potatoes. Moved about a ton of soil by hand. But yeah, that's where we're at. My back's just not what it used to be. Not even close. But it is what it is, and you just gotta move forward. It's getting there. Like I said, a handful of wires, just for your coil packs. My two sensors on the bottom end. Starter, alternator, AC. And, like I said, another couple of days and they'll be done. I just can't go at it like I used to. My body started taking a wear and tear. This little ratchet got used a lot yesterday. A 1/4-inch drive I got off Chime. It was the perfect size in that goddamn manifold system. Putting down all them little bolts. So it did its job for a few bucks I paid for it. I was quite impressed. I'll put the link to that down in the description on Temu if anybody does Temu. But at least if I can find the link anyway. But yep, that's where we're at. I forgot to show you guys. Let you guys see where we'll be. But this will get done and we'll be on to the next project. The next project's going to be probably a bunch of small engines. We got, I think, about 8 mowers outside, backpack blower, a big pressure washer. All of them need to be serviced, repaired if they can be, whatever it is that's wrong with them, get them fixed up. But that's later on. Later, folks. Have a great day.